What if you could make your own pizza dough within 5 minutes, throw your favorite toppings on it and have dinner ready within 20 minutes? Today I will share that recipe with you. I'm Debbie with debbieskitchencorner.com, and if you get value out of this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of my great recipes. Ready, set, let's go! Here's what you need. Pour the warm water into a mixing bowl. Should be not too hot, around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now sprinkle the sugar into the water. Yeast needs sugar to produce gas that causes the dough to rise. Add yeast and mix with a wooden spoon. Let it stand for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is how it needs to look. Nice and foamy. Now add the flour, salt and olive oil. You can mix the dough by hand or with a mixer, however you like to do that. Let's mix it, shall we? Scrape the sides and mix some more. Flour the countertop and take the dough out of the bowl. Incorporate the flour into the sticky dough until you can form a nice round ball and it is no longer sticky. This dough is super easy to work with. You can use the dough immediately to make pizzas, but you can also refrigerate it or freeze it for a later time. So I used it right away and made a flatbread and a pizza. When you are ready, bake it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.